5 must-have fitness products for home workouts. Working out at home has never been easier. With the right equipment, you can build strength, tone your muscles, and improve flexibility, all without stepping into a gym. In this video, we'll reveal 5 must-have fitness products that will take your home workouts to the next level. First up, adjustable dumbbells. If you want a versatile, space-saving solution for strength training, adjustable dumbbells are a game-changer. LifePro adjustable dumbbells let you switch between weights from 5 to 55 pounds with just a simple dial turn. This means you can perform a variety of exercises, from bicep curls to shoulder presses, without needing a full rack of weights. Not only do they save space, but they also make transitioning between exercises quick and efficient. With these dumbbells, you can work your upper body, core, and even lower body with squats and lunges. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, adjustable dumbbells make strength training at home more effective. Next on our list, kettlebells. Unlike dumbbells, kettlebells allow for dynamic, full-body movements that build strength and endurance. Brands like Yes4All offer durable, cast-iron kettlebells that are perfect for home workouts. Kettlebells are fantastic for explosive exercises like swings, snatches, and cleans, which target multiple muscle groups at once. Plus, they help improve coordination, mobility, and cardiovascular endurance. If you're looking to torch calories while building muscle, a good kettlebell set is a must-have. Now let's talk about resistance bands. Resistance bands are one of the most affordable and effective tools for home workouts. The Fit Simplify resistance loop bands come in multiple resistance levels, making them ideal for beginners and advanced users alike. Different ways to use resistance bands: glute bridges, lateral band walks, and bicep curls. These bands are perfect for adding resistance to bodyweight exercises, making simple movements more challenging. They're great for building strength, improving mobility, and even aiding in recovery. Plus, they're lightweight and portable, so you can take them anywhere. Coming up next, the adjustable weight bench. If you want to expand your strength training routine, the Flybird adjustable weight bench is a fantastic addition. This bench allows you to perform a variety of exercises, including incline presses, decline sit-ups, and step-ups. It's sturdy, comfortable, and easy to fold for storage. A weight bench adds versatility to your workout, allowing you to target different muscle groups with precision. Last but not least, a high-quality yoga mat. Whether you're into yoga, Pilates, or simple stretching, the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat is a top-tier choice. This mat offers excellent cushioning, durability, and non-slip grip, making it perfect for any type of floor workout. It protects your joints, enhances comfort, and provides the perfect surface for exercises like planks, core work, and even meditation. And there you have it. These 5 fitness essentials can transform your home workouts, helping you stay fit, strong, and flexible, right in the comfort of your home. Investing in quality equipment means investing in your health. So, what are you waiting for? Check the links in the description to grab yours today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos to upgrade your life. See you in the next video.